Okay. Hi friends, my name is Sriram Bharat and today we are going to learn about how to make a magic square 3 into 3, 9 consecutive numbers in your mind. Okay, let's see. First, let me remove this background. Babadi babadi boo. Yeah. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, you cannot see my screen. Okay, you all can see my screen right now. In a, in a box itself, you can put all these things. Now let me put a box like this. Then put a put a line like this. No, this is so long. Yeah, right over here. Okay, now let's take some numbers. Okay, from 2 to 10 we will take. Okay, let's put very easily. Let's go very easily. Then it will be easy for you itself. Okay. Okay, these are 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 numbers are there. Now, in this box, you have to put, first you have to take this fourth and the second and the fourth number. Now, here the second number is 3 and the fourth number is 5. Put the fourth number in the left hand side box, which is 5. And then on the right side top box, put 3. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, finished the 2 box. Now the easiest thing. Okay. Okay, 5. You have to subtract this 5 to get 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So put the 4 here. Then 4 plus 2, which is 6. You have to put it here. Then 6 plus 2, which is 8. You have to put it here. Now add 8 plus 2. No, actually, you have to subtract 1. Sorry, you have to subtract 1. Don't get confused. Okay, let me show you another example. This got very confused. Okay, but first we will finish this. Okay, 8 minus 1, which is 7. Then you have to subtract the 6 minus 4, which is 2. Okay. Now, first, now this first 7 numbers are finished. Last 2 numbers will be there, 9 and 10. You haven't wrote 9 and 10. Now the number 9 you have to write at the last. And then this 10 here. Okay, now how we are calling this a magic square? How it is a magic square? So now if you have 5, 4 and 9, you get the value 18. If you had 10, 6 and 2, you get the value 18. If you had 3, 8, 7, you get the value 18. You had 5, 10 and 3, you get 18. You had 4, 6 and 8, you get 18. Okay. So horizontal, vertical, and cross. Okay. Now let us see another one. This has gone all draggy. Mm, this time let's put a 2 digit. Okay. Now 41 to 49. Okay. 41. Sorry. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay. Sorry, this only 4 is there. Now, let's draw a box. And then, okay, 3 into 3 finished. Now let's do this magic. The second and the fourth digit. Now the second and the fourth number, 42 and 44. Okay. Put put the fourth one in top left top left corner. Okay. The fourth number, just in this case 44, and the second number, which is 42, put it in the right side. 1 minute. Yes. Yeah. Now 2 numbers over, 7 numbers to go. Now what is 44 minus 1? 43. 43 is in our count, so put 43 here. Now add 2 to 43, which is 45. Add 2 to 45 again and put it as 47. You can take any random 9 consecutive numbers. Okay? Don't get confused. Now, second row over, first row only one digit is there, third row we didn't do it. Now, 47 minus 1 what? 46. 46 we are going to write in the bottom right corner. Okay. Now, we have to subtract 45 minus 4, which is 41 in this case. Okay, now these two boxes are remaining, 7 over. If you see, now the magic has really happened. Okay, see, now we have written 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49 are remaining, right? See, that in order they are remaining. So now put 49 in the top and put 48 in the bottom. See, we have created a magic square. If you want to check this magic square, okay, you can check this magic square by using the calculator. Add 44, 43 and 48, you get a value. And even if you add 49, 45 and 41, you get the same value. And if you add 42, 47 and 46, you get the same value. And the same value goes on for all the horizontal rows, all the vertical rows, all the cross lines. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and be safe from COVID-19. Thank you. Hey, I forgot to say something. Please click the bell button. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.